What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode. My name is Perry, and I did an unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and then this is one of the very latest collections to DJI's group of drones. And this thing is very commercial and durable for a lot of drone pilots because of the 249 grams limitations. So for all of you pilots who know, when you're traveling to different countries, the minimum is 250 grams. The minimum that you can have for a commercial drone is 250 grams, and then this one settles it by just 1 gram. And so it's a very good thing for a lot of pilots, because once you are traveling, you know that you don't have to pay extra duties and stuff like that for this drone, unlike the DJI Mini the DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Pro, Phantom 4, Phantom 3 Pro, all those ones, Inspire, Agras, all those big ones. Definitely you're going to have to pay for that. So yes, basically I did an unboxing. You want to check it out, and then come back and then let's set up this beautiful baby. So without wasting my time, you know what we say, let's jump into it. All right, welcome back. So in the box, we have this beautiful carry case bag. Do I throw this away? Yes, we have this beautiful carry case. And for all of you who are old subscribers to this particular channel, you know how much I love carry cases, especially for all the headset that I've been reviewing and things like that, right? So once I see a device or a gadget that has its own customized carry case, I'm very impressed. So yeah, yes, so behind it there's a small pouch where I put booklets and manuals and stickers. It has a lot of stickers that you can use for your drone. I put one on mine, and then I'll show it to you in a bit. But basically it has this nice beautiful bag. You can put it behind there. You can also add your own pilot license card or your ID card or anything. And I also recommend that you get an air tag or any other similar product so that you can always track your keys. It's very important. So that's what's at the back. The sleeve, I think it's not bad. It's adjustable as well, so if you're tall like me you can have it taller. But let's get to the front. So the front, you can just open it like this. That's all. It has 2 zips, so you can go in either direction. Okay, so this is how it looks in the bag. Over here too, I put in the cables, and the good thing is they give you extra rotors, like rotors, however you want to mention it, but basically extra fans. Let me go look out fans. So these are new, extra, 6 in number, and the drone uses 4. So just in case you crash or you have any issues, you can switch them, and they are very well labeled. So there's A, there's B. Yes, I don't know if you can see it. So there's A, and then there's B. So they have specific areas that they go onto on the drone. Okay. And I think they also included a screw in case you want to screw off the. I mean, this is new, so I've not destroyed all these things, but basically that. And then there's also an extra cable, USB-C, and you can use that to charge either the drone or the remote control. I think basically that's what's on the top here. So now let's get straight into it. This is the new DJI RC with an inbuilt screen, and it looks very good. I tested it once, and I mean, the nets on a regular day, it's very bright. It's bright enough for you to be able to see all those things. But that, I'm also going to do that in a separate video, so you guys check it out. But this is how it looks like, and it's a bit sizable. It's a bit sizable. So for those who have been flying for a lot, I've done a lot of drone shots and drone shoots. So if you haven't checked it out, let me just drop some in there. So there's this. And then there's this one. and there's this other one. Yeah, so basically this is how the RC looks like. Usually you have to mount it at a 45-degree or 90-degree angle, whichever one works for you. Just angle it basically, then you can control it. That is it. We'll turn it on in a little bit. So let's continue. And then there's also the 3-pack battery charging case. I love this guy so much because I mean, I watched the video and then someone was like, it charges one, it charges like one after the other and you have to interchange. No. I tested this thing out and then it charges all of it simultaneously. So it starts from the first one, moves on to the next, and then moves on to the next. Once it's done, you have a full charge. So there's a power button. Once you click on it, it shows you your full charge. Okay, it shows you the charge on each battery. Yes, so you can just also pull it out like this. Pull it out. And then you're gone. So we're going to get to it shortly. Then we have the beautiful bad boy. And this guy is so small. I mean, I've used the first DJI Mini and it's small, but this one with all the sensors, 360 obstacle avoidance, all those sensors, it still comes as very, very small. And if you put it side by side with the remote, my goodness, this thing is very, very small. We're going to power it up in a little bit, but it also comes with a gimbal clamp, which has been very sealed, and I think this is a development from the previous model. So you just pull it, I don't want to say pull it out, but just take it off. Just take it off and it's done. Once you want to put it in, just hold it over the sensors and then clip it on. And this thing is safe as can get. You can do that when you are traveling. Also, one beautiful thing that I love about this particular model is the fact that they included a body clamp. Okay, so this is more or less the body clamp. This whole thing is nothing special coming to do anything to the drone, but when you are in transit, when you're traveling or moving somewhere, it just helps you to put the drone and its fans and rotors all together. So it has this small clip here, just unclip it and then you take it out, and then now you can free the drone. Okay, so basically that's all that's in the bag, unless you want to put something else like condoms and lubes. That's basically up to you, but that is all for what's in the box. So yes, basically this is the new DJI Mini 4 Pro, the latest edition, and I love it. I'm going to do a test flight, and then I'll do test flight, and then maybe distance test, altitude test. I may have to do all those things because I mean you guys love it, so why not? I don't know if you saw the sticker. I put a sticker on it and it looks so good. But yes, so do what to subscribe, stay tuned, and then once I do any of these new videos, you're going to be the first one to get it. We're also trying to partner with a couple of creators locally and internationally to get you some of the very best content on the market, especially in terms of emerging tech and lifestyle. So my name is Perry. Do what to like, share, subscribe. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Until then, adios.